We have a quick experiment. Some wood chips, definitely some plant material, leaves, and then I have a fabric pot, and then also a bucket. The bucket has holes in it. Have a little basalt, a bag of spent mycelium, and then earthworm castings. We'll make a little mix, see how it goes. Added the bag of spent mycelium, fabric pot, the bucket with holes. Gonna add more wood chips and more water and earthworm castings. A small amount. Filled the bucket with the wood chips and plant material. Then I'll add basalt, just a handful, which is half a handful in each one. And then we'll water and go from there. Okay, after a couple weeks, I do show signs of fruiting bodies. I've had them for the past 5 or 6 days. What you're looking at is the wood chips that have been turning into soil. It's a great carbon source for these fruiting bodies. Since it is organic material that is decomposing, there was a fair amount of pests, and what you see here is the diatomaceous earth that I've been using. I just added this 3 days ago, so this one fruiting body is full of it on top. These smaller ones, nothing really. This one, it looks like it has it, but soon these fruiting bodies are just going to continue to flush or continue just to fruit and then spoilate. I believe that's the right term. I could be wrong. Please let me know. And as they decompose, they just turn into other spores. Yeah, I do not know what species this is. Just to kind of go back of where we started, wood chips, organic material. I added some basalt. I forget what else I added, to be honest. But in this case, we do have fruiting bodies. They do have a carbon source. This is organic material. And it's been an experiment. I do keep it inside. I do take it outside. Since we're getting temperatures of over 90 degrees, I've just been trying to figure out a place where it's happy. But with all these fruiting bodies, I believe things are happy. Last night I kept it on the porch as it was raining. I forgot to uncover the top. I do cover it at times just to keep it from getting infested. I don't believe it's going to get infested anymore. Any of the bugs were part of the decomposition process. And in this case, we do have an ecosystem that can produce these fruiting bodies out of the spent mycelium, out of the wood chips. Yeah, thank you for joining me on this journey. I do love to share what I can. I do love to come up with new experiments when I can. In this case, we had a wood chipper, a guy cutting down some trees. I asked him for 2 bags of what he was chopping up. From there, I had a bag of spent mycelium from a fun guy, good friend of mine. We use those as parts of our gardening beds or potting mixes, or anytime we're doing new soil. Just use the spent mycelium as an organic material, something that'll help the soil food web. In this case, everything is starting to fruit, and we'll just continue to keep it watered. I have overwatered it at times. The main reason, I'm just learning and just trying to figure things out. Yeah. As they do this, I'm just gonna continue to let them decompose, turn back into soil, and then once we get these fresh ones, I'll try to keep an eye to see if I can use it for food or otherwise. We shall see. Yeah, have a great day, everyone. Just a few hours later, we have some fruiting bodies that are new, some that are no longer present. Yeah, just kind of keep an eye on it every couple hours, see what's changed. It's definitely an interesting project. You can see the little pests. That's why I keep it on the porch. Try not to keep it inside too often. And if so, I did the diatomaceous earth just to kind of help out.